There is a new series called Jax and Pomni Gets Grounded.
Pomni, since I'm a bad boy, let's get trouble.
No. We can't do that. We will get grounded forever or something.
I don't care. Let's do anyway. Let's do unfunny sounds in public. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Chugga 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 choo choo. Damn it. Didn't work. Your turn.
Choo choo.
Yes, it worked. Let's go.
Jax, I need to run.
Ooh. Jax. How dare you make unfunny sounds in public? That's it, you're going to white room from 5 days.
Hey, what do I'm doing here? Oh no! The floating head glitch has happened again.
Jax, you stay here.
Ragatha, Pomni did that too.
I don't care. You need to get grounded without Pomni.
Washington, hey.